A multimodal approach for blind and visually impaired developers to edit web page designs. By Venkatesh, Potluri, Liang He, Christine Chen, John E. Froehlich, and Jennifer Mankoff. From Paul G. Allen School of Computer Science and Engineering, University of Washington. We built a multimodal system that allows blind and visually impaired developers to edit web UIs using gestures on an accessible canvas, which is a touchscreen, or by modifying code in an editor. The UI updates are checked to ensure they adhere to a set of design guidelines. This ensures that the visual appeal is intact. User Scenario 1. Changing typeface. First, the user explores the web page by moving their finger on the accessible canvas screen and locates the bio paragraph. Audio feedback is provided.
H1 name label, div header, div body, div left bar, img profile image, div left bar, p bio.
The user performs a two-finger triple tap to switch to style change mode.
P bio property changing mode.
The font typeface option is selected by performing a two-finger long press gesture on the canvas.
Foreground font.
Then, the user swipes left and right with two fingers to select a font.
Helvetica.
The user performs a three-finger triple tap to submit the change.
Submit.
The screen reader in the IDE announces the changed code line and the result of the design violation. The typeface Helvetica has been applied on the web page, so it will not violate typeface consistency.
Info, update from accessible canvas. Attempted to change font family of P-Bio from Arial to Helvetica at line number 105. Status, accepted. Space with code containing window, extension development host.
User Scenario 2. Changing spacing. The user navigates to the second item on the hyperlinks list by moving their finger on the canvas.
Link list item 1. All link list. Link list item 2.
The user switches to style change mode and performs a four-finger long press to start margin changing.
Link list item 2 property changing mode. Margin changing.
The user swipes to the bottom and moves vertically to change the bottom margin.
Margin bottom. 7, 8, 9.
The
change is submitted and the screen reader reports violation.
Submit.
Info, update from accessible canvas. Attempted to change margin of Li underscore link underscore list underscore item underscore 2 from 0px 0px 7px 0px to 0px 0px 9px 0px at line number 75. Status, rejected. The following design guidelines were violated. Spacing.
Fixing the bug by making the margin of all the list items the same.
0px to 0px 0px 9px 0px at line number 87. Status, accepted. Notification actions, list box.
User Scenario 3. Changing font color. The user locates a heading element and switches to style change mode.
H1 section 3 heading. H1 section 3 heading property changing mode.
A two-finger long press followed by a one-finger swipe left or right changes the heading's color.
Foreground font. Silver. Gray.
Again, the change is submitted and the screen reader in the IDE speaks out the code change and the result of the validation.
Submit.
Color consistency is violated as there are headings with more than 3 colors in the sample web page.
At line number 127. Status, rejected. The following design guidelines were violated. Foreground color notification actions, list box.
We believe that blind and visually impaired developers can edit web page design without breaking visual appeal, and this is the first step towards realizing this vision.